Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up an LCD display with an I2C adapter and connect it to an Arduino. First, let's look at the display itself. It features 16 columns and 2 rows, giving you 32 characters in total, hence the name LCD 1602. Typically, it comes with a 16-pin header. Without an adapter, you'd have to wire up most of those, eating up 6 to 10 digital pins on your Arduino. That creates a real rat's nest of wires. Plus, you need a 10K potentiometer just to handle the contrast. To save us that headache, someone came up with this, the I2C adapter. It has a built-in contrast trim pot and uses only 2 data pins. Since it uses the I2C bus, you can daisy chain a bunch of other sensors to those same 2 pins, provided they have different addresses. Speaking of addresses, if you plan to use multiple displays or if the default address is taken, there are 3 pads on the adapter labeled A0, A1, and A2. By bridging these pads with solder, you can change the device's address. There's also a jumper on the back for the backlight, handy if you want to disable the light mechanically rather than through code. Now, let's solder the adapter to the LCD. Make sure you align it correctly. Once that's done, let's connect it to the Arduino. Connect ground to ground, VCC to 5 volts, SDA to analog pin A4, and SCL to A5. Time for the software side. We'll need a library. Open the Arduino IDE, go to the Library Manager, the book icon on the left, search for LiquidCrystal I2C by Frank the Brabander, and hit Install. Before writing the main code, we need to know the specific I2C address. I've included an I2C scanner sketch in the project files. Upload the scanner, open the serial monitor at 9600 baud, and you'll see the address pop up. Copy that. Now let's move to the main sketch. At the top, we include the libraries and create the display object. Right here, paste the address we just found. If you don't, it won't work. In the setup function, we initialize the display with the init command and turn on the light using backlight. In the loop, it's good practice to use clear to wipe old text. Next is setCursor. The first number is the column, the second is the row. Remember, counting starts at 0. After placing the cursor, use print to output your text. You can also control the light with no backlight and backlight. The cursor and blink commands add an underscore or a blinking block just like on old school terminals. And for the final touch, the scrolling text effect. We use a simple loop that calls scroll display left 16 times. Upload the sketch. If the screen looks blank, tweak the blue potentiometer on the back until the contrast is perfect. And now, the moment of truth. The display wakes up, says hello, blinks, and sends the text scrolling across the screen. As you can see, the I2C adapter is a total lifesaver. No messy wiring, just a simple connection. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Good luck with your projects, and see you next time!